So hey, lovers of STEM, just had a conversation on Blue Sky that made me think of another piece of advice that may or may not be relevant anymore, but I don't care. I want to give it anyway, so badunk. So a lot of schools, as well as mine now, do electronic textbooks because engineering textbooks can be so expensive. And they can be like around $300. So a lot of times they're electronically. Like mine now, the textbooks are integrated into the learning management system. And the students have a copy that they have on their computer for doing their homework, for reading, etc. But when I was in school, you had to physically buy the textbook. Sometimes I was so broke, it was halfway through the quarter before I could get it, and I would borrow a friend's and go and make copies of just the pages to do the homework, which is horrible considering I should have been reading the textbook, and that was copyright infringement. Don't do that. But here's my advice for those students who do still have to purchase a textbook, at least for the books in your major. Like if you're an electrical engineering major, the electrical engineering textbooks. I'm not talking about like a humanities book or anything like that. Hold on to the book until at least your senior year, because your capstone is a comprehensive cumulative experience and you don't know what your project may be. So having those books would be vital. I know a lot of times students will immediately sell their textbook and throw all their notes and everything away after the final exam. Don't do that, especially if this class is a prerequisite for one you're going to take later. It drives me crazy when students go, I don't remember that. I don't think I learned that. We never discussed that. Sometimes I taught the prerequisite course. I know you learned it because I taught that class. So hold on to books until you graduate. Or if you think you're going to do the Fundamental of Engineering or the EIT, or even go on to a master's or a PhD, it's really important. So hold on to your textbooks or keep the electronic copies till then. Stay STEM-tastic.